This is the Eugenia stipitata, which is a very sour fruit. It's a large yellow fruit, extremely sour, that was recently planted. We also have this vining guarana that we've recently acquired, so we'll be interested to see what that does. We have some fishtail palms planted here. They're normally grown as ornamentals, but they are a shade-tolerant, multi-branched palm that you can sustainably harvest. So they eat the heart of palm, but because they have multiple growing points, you never need to kill the palm. You allow it to regenerate, so it can be harvested sustainably. This little tree over here is the kwai muck. It's an interesting relative of jackfruit and breadfruit. And back there is a maprang. And then on this side we have pitomba, which is another eugenia. And then wax jambu, this is a syzygium. And then we have dragon fruit. So this dragon fruit was really experiencing too much shade to be productive. So now that we've let in some more light, we're seeing some fruit production here, which is great. This is a variety that is from Excalibur Nursery. It's a white fleshed variety. And then another dragon fruit here. So they can tolerate some shade, but you tend not to get much fruiting if the shade is too dense. And we've also cultured mushrooms in back of this area. So those are oak logs that we have inoculated with different types of mushrooms. So this area would represent an older agroforestry system where we've had to increase the light by removing a large tree, and so that has allowed us to expand the number of crops in this area. And you can also see that there's still quite a bit of space for some perennial vegetables or short-lived food crops until these other trees develop.